How to turn off auto-delete activity on Gmail. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Gmail, log into your account, and then click on top right corner of your screen. Then click on Manage your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on Data and Privacy. Scroll all the way down till you find Web and App Activity. Click on it and then scroll all the way down till you find Auto Delete. Click on Auto Delete and then make sure your blue dot is in Don't Auto Delete Activity. After that, press on Next and click on Confirm. After that, you're good to go. This is how to turn off Auto Delete activity on Gmail. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.